guys, I hate it. Hey guys, it is a new day. Today I'm actually super congested. I'm not sick, I don't have COVID or anything like that, but I have seasonal allergies and they are kicking me in the butt. Yesterday I went to a barbecue, and because we're like sitting outside and like near the grass, the trees, all that stuff, plus where I went they had animals too, and I am allergic to animal fur. So yeah, I'm just a whole stuffy, puffy-eyed mess. As you can, well, I don't know if you can tell because I have lashes on, but my eyes are super puffy. Probably hear it in my voice. Right now I'm going to pick up my mom. She has an appointment at 1:30, so, or no, sorry, 2. So I need to leave now. It's 1:03 right now, so I can get her by 1:30 and then we can get there by 2 or before 2. But yeah, so I'm just wearing a casual outfit, just some black shorts, black crop. It is about to thunderstorm. Like, I'm supposed to go to a patio later with some friends, and it's, yeah, it looks super dark out and it's like in the afternoon. Oh my gosh, now it's raining. So I'm gonna hurry up because I don't want to get soaked. That's gonna be super annoying. Maybe I should get a sweater. Yeah, I definitely had to change. Okay, you guys, so I've just arrived. I just parked my car and I'm about to go into the salon, but I quickly wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that I'm gonna do a little bit of a prank. A little harmless prank on my personal hairstylist. So basically what's gonna happen is after she's done doing my hair and everything, and she's literally doing the whole shebang, she's like reinstalling, washing, treating, like doing the whole shebang, styling, and then after like all the work she's done, I'm gonna tell her that I hate my hair. I hate how my hair looks. Okay. I have no clue how she's gonna react. She's like the sweetest person in the world, and she's all about customer service, and you know, she treats her clients amazingly, and always wants to make sure that like the best service is being delivered. So I'm excited to see how she's gonna react. She's probably gonna be like, what the heck? Because it's not even like me to ever even like say like, oh, I hate my hair in that way, or like be like, oh, can you redo it? She's not gonna expect that from me, so I don't know what to expect from her. If you're interested in that, then just stay tuned and keep on watching. It's super hot outside. Yeah, or else it will look like a bit like, yeah. It's like doing his own thing. It's just like bedtime. Oh sad?
I don't know if he's sad, but like I love this shit, like this Tiara Monet on Instagram.
Yeah, I know her.
I'm like obsessed with her.
I love her. Tiara, she has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, she was the reason why I started like kind of like getting into hair a few years ago.
Yeah, she's amazing.
Amazing.
Like, wow.
I just love her personality.
Yeah. That hair looks really good. I love that.
Color.
That's why you just like everything.
I know.
And she goes color.
What was that?
Like,
Like what? I was getting a treat. Like.
Right? Just go
The minute you went to the back, he destroyed that bag.
so rude.
Honestly, he moved like the raccoon, like the
Baby, he's so
I
fast.
was like, whoa,
Baby,
you
he's
were
so
so
fast.
violent.
So fast.
He's so violent. Okay, he's street.
So cute.
I'm like Leo Virgo.
You're a Leo?
Yeah, I'm a Leo.
Oh
But I don't
my.
even look, I feel like I have more Virgo traits.
Okay,
I feel like when I was
Virgo
younger-
men are horrible.
Really?
Yeah, but
My
there's
hubby is
a
Virgo.
difference between men and women for sure.
Oh,
He's like really particular.
Is he like controlling a little bit?
No.
no,
No,
Virgos are
no?
not controlling.
Oh my gosh, the Virgo that I talked to, he was like super controlling
I feel like
and
he tried,
insecure.
like, them.
Leo guys are annoying.
Very passive aggressive a lot.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
That
I
can
haven't
say-
come
that
across a lot of girls though.
That I can say about me. I'm like,
Passive aggressive.
yeah. But like, I'll say a lot of like cheap. I'm like, okay, whatever.
Have you heard good things about Sagittariuses?
Saju hard-headed.
Yeah, we are.
Like-
I'm very hard-headed actually. And we're emotional.
Like, yeah.
We're super emotional.
I feel like now that I follow Tiara Monet, now that she's married,
But
I follow her
when
more.
you try to find out if it's a male or female, they're kind of both like different.
Different. Men and women are different, yeah, for sure. And now I'm like, I want to do a whole honey blonde
Uh-oh, I should.
type look.
Blonde.
Honey blonde though, like brown
Oh, I
blonde.
Okay.
Because I feel like for the
Stayed for a long time. It's really good. It doesn't need it.
You guys, I hate it.
and
Whatever.
well, I got my chin. You just ruined my video.